Hey everyone, welcome back to another tips and trick video on Microsoft Teams. Today we're going to explore how to add a channel location to a Teams meeting. As shown right here on my Sales and Marketing General channel, this is a great way to have a channel location in your Teams meeting so that any notes or files shared between you and your members in this meeting will get stored into this conversation thread in our Posts tab. Now, to show how to create a meeting that shows up right here, you're simply going to go to Calendar. You can choose to meet now or add a new meeting. Enter your desired title to the meeting. Add all the attendees that should be required to join. Make sure you want to select the time where everyone's available. You can choose to repeat it or have this not ongoing. Here is where you're going to select the channel that you want to provide as a location for this meeting. So here, this is all the available teams that I'm a part of. And again, we can go into retail and select this channel here. Be sure to give description of what this meeting is about. All right, and once you're all set, we'll go ahead and select send. Once that invite gets sent, and again, if you were to be interested on what meetings are going on, you can see a video icon next to the channel. And when selecting that, you can select Join Now to quickly jump into the meeting with the team. All right, so if you found this video helpful, please give us a like and hit the subscribe button to be notified when we upload new tips and trick videos, and we'll see you next time.